What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And today's adventure is brought to you by Tab Performance. These guys are making a killer exhaust for the Indian Challenger, for the Indian line, for the Harleys, all of the bikes. They're doing some really great stuff. And the most talked about is probably the Zombie Baffles. You guys have seen, I've already put those on my bike, and I absolutely love them. They're a fantastic product. I really love them. They're great to deal with, talk to on the messages and go over things. That brings me to this. Let me go and bring you guys down here. So underneath this bad beast right here was something that like sleeping in a cave. Like, it is a sleeping beast, and we needed to wake her up. And Tab Performance did exactly that with the 212 cat delete pipe, and goes perfectly with these Zombie Baffles. I'm gonna send you guys clips of stock slip-ons and the Zombie slip-ons with the cat delete. Really woke this bike up. It's got a fantastic look now underneath the bike, if you're into that. I am, because I didn't really care for the muffler underneath this thing. You could see it from side to side. It made everything quiet. The bike ran really good then, and it still runs really good. I've ran this for about a week or so now. Meatball Rebel came down. You guys could see that in the clip. And we got this bike all put together, all the parts, and she sounds great. He got to ride with me knowing that the exhaust isn't going to be so insanely loud while we're on our trip. I mean, it's going to be loud, but it's not going to be this crazy loud exhaust. It may wake the dead, but I think there's going to be some mornings that Meatball's going to need that while we're on our way to Sturgis. So it's definitely not a bad thing to have. Let me take you guys underneath here and show this off to you. Now you have your heat shields, and the big thing is this bottom piece comes off, your slip-ons come off, so you can take that muffler off. Look at that simple, clean pipe under here. Beautiful. Way better than having that gigantic muffler. Bolts in the stock positions. Just a fantastic looking product to go with this fantastic bike. guys, I hope that this did you some justice on the way the bike sounds. It's always hard to do it over the internet. And if you guys want to know, like, see a video of this being installed, check out Riding Fish. He's got it on there. Hopefully I can get that link up in the video for you guys. And he did a 2-1 cat delete. So he's got the ghost pipe on one side, but he's got the, it goes 2 to 1 on this side right here. So it's pretty much the exact same install from what I can see. It just doesn't need to fully put anything through. It's got an open pipe in the middle instead of being an actual pipe. So that's, I mean, the best way I can describe it if you guys don't know what a ghost pipe is. Fake. That's about it. Keeps that stock look, keeps everything mounted, keeps everything good for your saddlebags and all that fun stuff. Yeah, it's just a fantastic product. I can't say enough about it. Also, can't say enough about Riding Fish and how well his looked and sounded in person. I got to see his bike. It's really, really good sound. Little weird hearing it out of one side, that I will admit. But so for me, the 212 was a great way to go. It's got great sound. It feels equal when coming out on the end. I just really love it. I hope you guys like the clips. And like I said, the Z-rings and torque cone stuff's all coming over the next few weeks, and we can get all that experienced for you guys. And I got to do some riding with them and actually see what the bike does and see how it feels, so I can show you guys my honest opinion. All right, YouTube, stay safe, stay classy. I really hope all these cars didn't affect this video too much. All right, later, guys.